Hmm. So, Dr. Rajan, do you have uh, any, based on your experience, some examples where you would have, you or your team would have experimented with, and what kind of success do you see? What kind of productivity gain do you see, or like just how it feels like?
Yeah, so we have been using it extensively. I was super excited when ChatGPT came out and I could
Mm.
write code. I felt almost as if I had a pair programmer with me
Yeah,
all the time.
very much.
And it was super exciting because it reduced my inertia. I did not have to think about, okay, I have to search this, I have
Yeah,
to set
yeah,
up my code base, I have to set up my environment. I knew I will have ChatGPT by my side.
true.
So we have been using it not just for programming, we've used it also in products. So one of
Mm.
the recent products that we have built with generative AI is something we called SQL Wizard. So
Mm.
what happens is large organizations, enterprises have databases with millions, if not, hundreds of millions of rows of data.
Right.
And these database schemas can be complex. They can have multiple tables. Each table may be related to another table in their normalization of
Yeah,
the
yeah,
schema,
yeah.
so on. And it is a significant task to write well-formed SQL queries.
Right.
Suppose I want to know how much of a particular kind of an SKU by a e-commerce retailer was sold by some ex sales officer in
Mm-hmm.
the month of November and December. So
Right.
we can write an SQL query for this, and it'll be, half a page long. But
Mm.
you can also use constructs in generative AI
Yeah,
to simply do this in text in
yeah.
natural language, and then convert it into SQL. Run this SQL on their data on their premises, so
Right.
that the data does not go out of their servers, and then for some reason, if the SQL was not well formed, you can again check it before running it on their this thing
Right.
by sending it back to the server and asking it to explain what is this SQL. And if it matches
Okay.
with your original premise, then you
Mm.
know that this is right. Right. So
Mm.
these kind
Mm.
of this is just one example of many that where we have used Gen AI tools for real
Mm.
world applications.